What's up YouTube? What's up TikTokers? My name is VanderMeer and this is another social media tips episode. In this episode, we are going to talk about how to do slow motion on TikTok. Yeah, kind of like that. Let's go. Hey guys, TikTok slow motion is not magic, so we're going to put this wand away. And I'm going to go through on my phone exactly what you need to do to make those sweet slow-mo videos on TikTok. Alright, TikTok slow-mo. Let's get right into it. How to shoot slow motion right on TikTok. I got the screen record on. Let's go right into TikTok right away. And once you're in and you're recording your video, slow motion happens right on the bottom with 0.3 times and 0.5 times. If I go to 0.3 times and I just scroll. When I'm recording, I usually hold the record button. Then you press play. You'll see the slow motion come to life right in TikTok. Now, the problem is when I go 0.3 and I was moving that fast, it's a little bit choppy. So it's a little bit about trial and error, playing with the different features, trying to figure out what's going to work. If we go to 0.5 and we try to do the same thing, and I go a little slower. There we go. Much better. You could see that it's less choppy, it's ready to go. Now, one of the things about slow motion on TikTok that I think a lot of people don't know about is you can actually take your regular video clips and slow it down with effects or when you upload the video itself. So let me show that. Let's say I go back and I'm going to upload one of my videos. I'm going to go here. Right when you get it open, right when you're about to upload, you can click the little time button at the bottom and you could slow it down. So then your regular video that you've edited and uploaded is slowed down. Now, if it's in 24 frames per second, the video that you upload when you slow it down, it is going to have a little bit of chop to it. If you want your videos to come in and then slow them down, they have to be over 24 frames per second. Now, there's one more way to do it. Let's say we bring in the video and it's just regular. We bring it in one time. Now, once you're into the video, you can do slow motion one more way. You can click on effects. And you can go here to the time section. Once you're at time, you get to a certain part of the video where you want it to slow down and you click slow motion. That way, up until that point in time, it'll be regular speed and then you'll slow down that impact point right when the beat drops to make your video more dynamic. One other tip in this time section is there's the reverse. If you go to the beginning and you hold on the reverse and it turns the video in reverse, it can make some of those videos where people are walking backwards, where you can put that dynamic shot into reverse to make it really, really cool. Kind of like that jumping out of the pool or something like that. It makes it look really epic. Now, those are the ways to do slow motion right in TikTok. But you can also upload the videos already in slow motion. So, for example, if you have your iPhone, if you have your Android, and you shoot in slow motion, and then you edit it kind of on the phone before you bring it in, you can import that slow motion video right into TikTok to try to get rid of some of that choppy look that happens when you're using a 24 frame video in TikTok. One of the issues with that in comparison to TikTok is you're not able to then take multiple shots. If you can't edit on your phone, if you don't have one of those editing apps, then you're kind of sticking just to the shot that you take in slow motion in 240 or 120 frames per second. If you want to edit the video before you take it in, you could still use iMovie, Premiere, whatever you guys use to edit your videos. Make that video perfect, bring it into TikTok, and then post it out to your audience. The last thing I'll say in this video, and I'm very clear on this in a lot of my videos, is you have to keep creating and correcting. TikTok is moving so fast, the trends move so fast that as soon as you see one or as soon as you come up with that original idea, you have to just execute it. Slow motion and making epic TikTok videos is one of those ways to get a further reach and build your audience. So get out, create and correct, test as much as you can, and make better videos and provide more value. Whew, I think I was waving my arms. I think the magic at the beginning was making me wave my arms. I was getting way too excited in this episode, but that's it, guys. I hope you got some value. If you did, hit up the comments below, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe. I promise you won't regret it. I do videos like this every single day, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. See, Carl, what happens when you make me do it again? When you make me do it again, Carl,